Thanks for joining us at 2cutebeads.com. We are going to create the Crystal Marquise earring kit. This kit has golden shadow and jet hematite in it, but if you have beads at home, you can do it in any color that you want. Or we have lots of rounds here at 2cutebeads.com for purchase. We're going to take our wire, and because we're making 2 earrings, we need 2 pieces of wire. So we're going to cut our wire in half. Make sure we have all our kinks out of it. Let's open our beads, and we need to separate them because we're making 2 earrings. So just the way I do it, I just make 2 piles. Do you remember how when you were a kid you used to go 2 for you, 2 for me? Well, that's what I'm doing. Here we go. And the same thing with your golden shadow. You need to separate them. 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to put 1 over here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to put 2 over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load 10 golden shadow, whoops, then we're going to load the 10 jet hematite. We're going to center it. Set it down for a minute. We're going to open up our silver. We're going to load a silver bead on each side. Then we're going to bring both wires. And you might want to nip them off if you have a hard time getting it through your next silver bead. We're going to bring both wires to this silver bead right here. We're going to bring it down and give it a tug. Then we're going to load jet. A golden shadow. And I'm going to have to nip this off. Bent my wires a little bit. Just going to nip them off. Try to get them through this bead. There they go. And another jet. Pull up. Make sure everything's good. And hold it sideways. And I'm going to do my earring wrap. Back towards me, away from me. Straighten my tool straight up. Under. Wrap around. I use my bent nose because it works better than my fingers. And bring it underneath here, making our circle, our loop. I'm going to cut off the extra wire. And I send it flying. Looks good. This is the ball end ear wire. Just open it up a little bit. Load our earring on. This makes a very easy, quick gift for a friend, family member, you know, hostess gift when you want to just take something. Give a real easy present to somebody. But there it is. That's our crystal marquee earring. I have also done a different version in this where I have taken this because it is done on wire. And you can give it a different look if you want to by just giving it a little twist. And we have a different earring. Thanks for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com.